Good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Vanessa Joy Election Soriano, 29 years old from Magiling Piat, Cagayan. I am happily married and blessed with 2 sons, 8 years old and 4 years old. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I have served 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 10 years old girl. I've also worked in Hong Kong for 6 months, 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 years old boy. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of a child, cooking, washing, and do household chores. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family, and I want to have savings for my children in their future. To my generous employer in Hong Kong, please hire me as your helper because I am loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.